Hi everyone, my name is Beth. I am part of the marketing team here at Ohh Deer /Papergang. As we all know, we've been a little bit absent for the last couple of months, but we are slowly getting back to some form of normality. We've got some really exciting things to go through today. We're going to be looking through October's Papergang box. Papergang is a monthly stationery subscription box full to the brim with beautiful stationery and desk accessories. Each month we work with an independent artist to bring you illustrated stationery, which is what makes Papergang so special. Jess has bought you this. So let's get into this month's box. So here we have the letter set. It has been beautifully designed by Jess, as you can see. It's a lovely pattern. It has beautiful copper detailing, perfect to send to your loved ones, especially during this testing times where we can't see each other as much as we'd like. Here we have our copper foiled envelopes designed to match the letter set. All you need is to grab yourself a pen and get yourself writing. Here we have a trio of stamps. These little guys are perfect for bullet journaling, finish off your envelopes, very adaptable to anything that you'd like to decorate. Here we have our washi tape designed by Jess with the phases of the moon on it. Perfect for this kit because it means that you can make sure that all your envelopes are nice and sealed for when they arrive to your loved one. Here we have our A6 notebook. It's a fab illustration and it's a great size to make sure that you've always got it in your handbag. As you can see, it's got the lovely copper foil again. So that's the notebook. Next up, we've included some greeting cards in this month's box. As you can see, you got the lovely copper foil, perfect for sending to your loved ones. Finally, last but not least, we include a free calendar in each box. As you can see, there isn't a date on this, so you can use it at any time of the year. Finally, we have our little booklet that we include in each box. You can find out some more details about our artists and who we work alongside with. Here's Jess. Hi Jess! So yeah, that's this month's box. We hope you enjoyed it and we will see you guys next month for November's edition. Bye!